Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a little hack about stabilizer jacks and how to get them up and down pretty quickly without having automatic stabilizing jacks. So I don't know how many of you are new campers, but if you've ever used this tool for that, it takes a long time. So I don't use that. You gotta think smarter. Here's my run-of-the-mill jack. It is not automatic. And instead of using the crank, let me show you what I do. All you need is a 3/4 inch bit and a drill. Mine's a pretty inexpensive drill, and it fits right on the end there. Automatic jack. It really is as easy as that. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe.